Assalamu alaikum and good morning kids. Hope so you will be fine and healthy. Open your mathematics book for class KG2 page number 7. On this page we have concept of one more. One more means that you have to add one number in the given number or you have to add an object in the given number of objects. So we can say one more than means plus 1 in given numbers or objects. Now look at some examples.
There are 3 birds on the sky and one more bird come join them. Now, how many birds on the sky? Yes, there are 4 birds on the sky. So we can say that one more than number 3 is number 4. What we have to do? Yes, we have to add 1 in number 3.
Now look at another example.
There are 2 monkeys on the tree. One more monkey joins in. How many monkeys are on the tree now? We need to add the 2 numbers. That is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So, now there are 3 monkeys on the tree.
Let's start our today's work. The statement is count the apples, draw one more, count how many there are now. Look at the first one. How many apples are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 apples. We have to write 4 in the box. Number 4 is written here before. We will copy it. There are 4 apples. Now, according to statement, we have to draw one more. Draw very neatly. Let's count again. How many apples are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 apples, so we will write 5 in the box. Look at the next one. How many apples are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 apples. We will write 3 in the box. According to statement, we will draw one more. Draw with me. Draw very neatly. How many apples are there now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more makes 4. Write 4 in the box. Make sure your pencil has a sharp lead. Look at the next one. How many apples are there? 1, 2. Write 2 in the box. We will draw one more. Draw with me. Draw very neatly. There are 3 apples. 1, 2, 3. One more makes 3. Write 3 in the box. Look at the last one. How many apples are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 apples. Write here 5. Write very neatly. According to this statement, we have to draw one more. draw with me. Your grip on pencil should be fine. How many apples are there now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more makes 6. Write 6 in the box. Students, solve this page on your mathematics books very neatly. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.